Okay, so along with digital eye strains characterized by dry eyes, blurred vision, and also vision loss in extreme cases. It also disrupts sleep patterns. Okay, disrupts sleeping patterns because it interferes with the production of melatonin. And some symptoms of digital strain include difficulty focusing on distant objects after long screen time, dry and irritated eyes, headaches, blurred vision, and neck and shoulder pain. Okay, so our third factor is diet and nutrition. Okay, so believe it or not, what you eat plays a big role in maintaining healthy vision. Nutrients like vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthin, and omega-3 fatty acids are very essential for eye health. So basically, like vitamin A, I'm sure you know it's found in carrots. So this helps the retina to produce pigments, which allows you to see in low light. And then lutein and zeaxanthin is found in leafy greens, and they're antioxidants that protect the retina from harmful light. And lastly, omega-3 fatty acids are found in fish like salmon, and this supports the structure of cell membranes in the retina and therefore reduces the risk of dry eyes. So, of course, poor nutrition can lead to deficiencies in essential vitamins and nutrients which are crucial for maintaining healthy vision, such as vitamin A. Okay, and also a diet lacking in essential antioxidants can damage the retina as well as the other parts of the eye, and it can lead to dry eyes and blindness. Now, dehydration is also another key factor. Okay, so the amount of water you drink. So, being highly dehydrated, it affects the body's ability to produce tears. Now, this results in irritation, blurred vision, and discomfort. Okay, so as you said before, vitamin A deficiency can cause night blindness, and in severe cases, it can lead to corneal ulcers and blindness. So, other than vitamin A, vitamin C and E, as well as zinc, are also essential for eye health. So, lack of these nutrients it can weaken the eye's protective system, and increases the risk of cataracts and other degenerative eye conditions. Also, a diet that is high in saturated fats and cholesterol can block the blood vessels in the eyes, which leads to conditions like diabetic retinopathy and macular degeneration. Okay, so looking at our one of our last factors, which is aging. Okay, so as we age, the eye undergoes structural change. The lens of the eye becomes thicker and less flexible, which makes it more difficult to focus on close objects. So the pupil, which controls the amount of light entering the eye, it becomes smaller and also it becomes less responsive with age. And this means that older adults may need more light to see clearly and may find it difficult to adjust to changing light conditions. Now, aging also reduces the production of tears. Remember tears, as we talked about in our first video on eye anatomy and the structure and function. We talked about how tears are very important for keeping the eyes lubricated and healthy. Now, because as we grow older, the tear production decreases, it means that our eyes become drier, which leads to discomfort. So the lens of the eye it becomes less elastic with age, which reduces the eye's ability to focus on near objects, a process called loss of accommodation. So it takes longer for the eyes to adjust when moving from very bright to dim environments, and this makes seeing in low light conditions more difficult, especially at night. So the retina, which processes light and sends visual signals to the brain, it becomes thinner as you grow older. So when we talked about, as we grow older, the lens in our eyes, they gradually lose flexibility. So this is known as pres- presbyopia, okay, scientifically. And the accumulation of proteins in the lens can cause cataracts. And these age-related changes are a natural part of the aging process, but they can significantly impact daily activities like reading or driving. So, while these conditions are pretty common, regular eye exams and early treatment options such as corrective lenses or surgery can help manage their effects and maintain good quality of life. So, looking at our last factor, which is genetics and inheritance.